welcome to Wisdom and Online Classes. So, in basic geometrical ideas lesson, in a previous class, you have learned the one important concept, that is curves. So, in the curves, you have learned open curve and closed curve and the definition of the curves. So, here this is another one, the new concept, that is polygons. So, what is this polygons? How you can define the polygons? The polygons, it is also one of the geometrical shape, and the definition for the polygon is, it is a simple closed figure and it is made by the entirely the line segments. So that is called as a polygon. So first thing I told you, it is a closed figure. So in a previous class we have learned the closed figure and the open figure also. The polygon, it is a closed figure and also it is made by the line segment. So as you learned already the definition for the line segment also. So the polygons all are made by the line segments. See here the example for a polygon. This is a polygon. This is a polygon. It is a closed figure and made by the line segments. See this A, B, C. It is a polygon. Here AB, BC and this AC. This is entirely made by the line segments. This is called as a polygon. So in the polygon we can learn the sum of very important the characteristics and features of the polygon. The first one is sides and the second one is vertices and the third one is the diagonals. So the first one thing is, what are the sides of the polygon? So here how you can define the sides of the polygon. So what is the side is the line segments forming a polygon. I told you already the polygon is made by the entirely the line segment. It is means that the figure is completely made by the line segments. So here the one figure I will take here, which is a polygon. See, this is the polygon. This is polygon. It is made by the entirely the line segment. See, and it is closed figure. It is started from here and how you can define the closed figure? The initial point and final points are same. That is a closed figure. So I started from here and the ending with this point only. So this is called as a closed figure and it is entirely made by the line segments. So the line segments forming a polygon, those line segments are called as a sides of a polygon. So I will give the name for this polygon A, B, C, D, E. So what is this name of the polygon? The name of the polygon, it is a B, C, D, E. This is polygon name. This polygon is made by the entirely the line segments. So which are the line segments? The AB is line segment, BC is line segment, CD is a line segment and DE is a line segment and EA is a line segment. Right? So these line segments are called as a sides of a polygon. That's why the line segments forming a polygon. What we can conclude that finally this polygon is made by the sides. This polygon is made by the line segments. Right? So which are the line segments? I told you AB is a line segment, BC is a line segment, CD is a line segment, DE is a line segment, EA is also a line segment. These line segments are called as a sides of the polygon. So which are the sides? The sides are AB is a side, the next BC is a side, next CD is a side and the DE is a side and EA is a side. Okay, so what are the sides of polygon? AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. These are all called as a sides of a polygon. The polygon name is ABCDE vertex B, vertex C, and vertex D, and vertex E. So those points are nothing but the vertices. So which are the vertices? A is a vertex, B is a vertex, C is a vertex, D is a vertex, E is a vertex, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the one more is this polygon is made by the 5 line segments and the 5 sides. Okay. So if the polygon have a 5 sides, that name is pentagon. What is that name is? Pentagon. Okay. So this polygon is pentagon. The next one is meeting at the point, the pair of the sides is a nothing but vertex. So which are the vertices? A, B, C, D, E. Okay. The next one point is the diagonals. What is this diagonal? The diagonals means the pair of vertices which are adjacents. The pair of vertices which are not adjacents are called as a diagonals. So what is this meaning of the pair of vertices which are not adjacents? The which are not adjacents is nothing but, first we have to learn what is the adjacents. The adjacents means the pair of vertices which are adjacents, where it is, see, this is one vertex and this is one vertex. The one side have the two ending point. The side is meet by the 2 points. Those vertices are called as a adjacent vertices. So these two can meet by the one side BA, and these two vertices can meet by this line segment, and these 2 points can meet by this side CD. And which are not meet together, which points are not meet together here? So this can meet by this side to A, and this point is also can meet the C by this side, but B it cannot meet here, right, to E, for E side, for E vertex, but B also not meet this D. So these are called as a non-adjacent vertices, where the pair of vertices, pair means 2 vertices which are not adjacent. This vertex and this vertex is adjacent. This vertex and this vertex is adjacent. But this vertex and this vertex is not adjacent. That is called as the diagonal. What is this diagonal? Right? Where the non-adjacent vertices are meet, those are called as a diagonal. See, this is B to E and A to D and C to E and B to D. These are called as the diagonals of the polygon. So what is the meaning of the diagonals? Pair of vertices, the 2 vertices which are not adjacent. Which are not adjacent, those are called as the diagonals. So which are the diagonals is, the AC is a diagonal, see the figure, and AD is also diagonal. The next BE is a diagonal, and the next EC is a diagonal, and the next one is the remaining D is a diagonal. These are all the diagonals of the polygon. See, this is all about the sides, vertices and diagonals of the polygon. So these are all the very important point. And what is this meaning of this BE? BE and EB both are same. Okay? And AC and CA both are same. Don't be confused. You can write this diagonal as AC also, or it can be the CA also. Okay? polygon, minimum how many of the sides you need? I told you the condition for the polygon. It is a closed figure. To make a closed figure, how many of the line segment you need? So there are the two line segment. Can you make this closed figure? So we need minimum 3 line segment to make a closed figure. Okay. So it means that to make a polygon, we need a minimum 3 line segment. What is this name of the polygon is triangle. So which is made by the 3 line segment or which is made by the 3 sides, that is called as a triangle. If it is made by the 4 line segment, what we can say? This is called as a quadrilateral. Okay. The polygon is made by the 5 line segments or 5 sides, that is pentagon. The polygon is made by the 6 sides, that is hexagon. So you can learn the decagon up to decagon also. So this is all about the polygon, sides, vertices and the diagonals. The next class you can learn another one type of the polygon in the next class, and thank you.